Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So now we are going to look about the Excel tutorial series. Today we are diving into 5 super Excel functions that will make your life a lot easier. The concepts that we're going to look today are SUMIF, date, COUNTIF. These are the concepts that we're going to look today. Let's just jump right into the concept and make your life so easier. Number 1. Sum function. Alright, let's start with the sum function. This one is simple but very powerful. Basically, it adds up numbers in a range. So, say you have a bunch of sales figure in cells B2 to B8. You can just type is equal to sum, open the bracket, B2 colon B8 and close the bracket. And boom, Excel calculates a total for you. Perfect for budgeting or summing up your expenses. Number 2, it is SUMIF function. Now, let's level up with SUMIF. This function is awesome when you want to add numbers based on a condition. Imagine you have a sales table where column B lists sales amounts and you want to sum only the north region. You have to do is equal to SUMIF, open the bracket, A1 colon A9, comma, north on the colons and B1 colon B9, close the bracket. And it is an Excel magic. It sums up exactly what you need based on your criteria and the preference that you are willing to take up from your report that you have given. Number 3, date function. Next up, the date function. Need to create special dates? No problem. Need not to worry. Just use is equal to date, open the bracket, A2, comma B2, comma C2 and close the bracket. To get August 16th, 2024, this function is handy for project timelines, scheduling, or any situation where you need precise dates. COUNTIF function. Last but not the least, COUNTIF. This function counts cells that meet a specific condition. So, if you have a list of students and want to know who are all present, then use this is equal to COUNTIF, open bracket, B2 colon E2 comma P and close the bracket. This will give you the answer. It is great for analyzing data and understanding the patterns very specifically. And there you have it. We have covered 5 essential functions. Those are SUMIF, date, and COUNTIF. These tools are going to save you so much time and effort in your spreadsheets. Remember, the more you practice, the easier they will become. So go ahead, try them out in your own Excel projects and give us the feedbacks. And thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you next time. Until then, bye-bye.